Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or trolls that use my content and title in their videos with flying kittens flying around their computer desk. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing. And I'm not picking on the kitten. It's a very cute kitten. I know all and see all and get informed. All right. This is Burgh Unboxing. I've already opened this item, and it was smaller than I thought. And let me see if I can look at here's the packaging. And see if I can look at the invoice. I forget what I paid for this. Oh, this is the return. Oh, this costs $11.19 to send it to me, and it cost me, $42. Now, I don't know how much this normally costs because every time I turn around and look at something that relates to cleaning, health, safety, the prices are inflated. At Food Max, the prices of everything were way up. What this is, though, now you have this, which I bought, and this is not disinfectant. But it will clean. It will clean your garage, it will clean your driveway, it will clean your counters, it will clean everything. This is the one you need to get. This is one-stop disinfectant for institutional and industrial use. Simple Green, D as in David. D as in dog. D as in disease. Pro 5, cleaner, sanitizer, fungicide, mildew stat, viricide, and deodorizer. Now, this has, I hate that I can't read small print. Oh boy, ammonium chloride, alkyl, dimethylbenzoammonium chloride, and other ingredients. But according to the Simple Green website, this wouldn't, they have it in the back in Spanish, and there's a big, see if I can peel this open. I'm probably going to wreck the label. Directions for use. And it says here, apply use solution to hard porous surfaces, thoroughly wetting surface with a cloth mop, sponge sprayer, or by immersion. Treated surfaces must remain wet for 10 minutes. For influenza virus type A and human coronavirus, treated surfaces must remain wet for 1 minute. Wipe dry with a cloth, sponge, or mop, or allow to air dry. For heavily soiled areas, preliminary cleaning is required. For sprayer application, use a coarse spray device. Spray 8 inches from the surface, rub with brush, sponge, or cloth. Avoid breathing spray. And then they have for fungicidal activity, bacterial stability of use dilution, kills HIV, HBV, HCV, CV on pre-clean environmental surfaces, objects previously soiled with blood and body fluids, and things likely to be soiled with HIV-1, which is AIDS, hepatitis B, hepatitis C. This kills just about everything. So I got this. It's diluted. I think it makes a considerable amount like the other one. But this is what you want to get if you're worried about corona getting on your clothing, your hands, your kitchen counter, your doorknobs, maybe even your car. I don't know. Simple Green D Pro 5. And I'm doing this as a public service to tell everybody to try to find this if you can, because you can't find bleach out there. You can't find Lysol out there. But it took me a lot of looking, but I found it. And I looked at the Simple Green site, and they run down everything that this kills. And this kills the coronavirus. So I want to start cleaning my coffee make area, my kitchen counter. I'm going to start that when I get back tomorrow from the ear yard. I'm still having this up-down feverish garbage weakness. I did all 3 inhalers today, so I was able to breathe because I was wheezing all night. But let's see what this stuff smells like, if I can smell it. Oh, it's sealed. All right. Smells like old socks. I don't know. It smells weird. That's all I gotta say. It's weird, but I don't care if it keeps me from getting ill. But I've never spent $42 on anything cleaning in my life, and this is kind of mind-boggling. I don't know if I can mix it. I'm gonna have to call them. Can I mix it with the other stuff to stretch it out? I don't know. But that's what you want to get. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. It's warm in here now. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Stay warm and dry, or cool and dry. Big noisy engine out there. Think about it a second. And stay safe. And I will catch you next time. Remember, Simple Green D Pro. Make sure they're in the other. D Pro 5. Sorry, Simple Green D Pro 5. That's what you want to get. Bye-bye for now.